ready to turn your TikTok obsession into a money-making machine. First, you'll need a TikTok account and a TikTok shop if you don't have one already. Head over to Seller Center Tech and follow the prompts to create a shop, ensuring you meet their eligibility criteria. Now, apply for the TikTok Shop Affiliate Program. Search for Affiliate Program within the Seller Center, or visit the Creator Marketplace on TikTok. Not everyone gets accepted, so ensure your content aligns with TikTok's guidelines and promotes authentic, engaging products. Product selection is key. Research trending items within your niche. Look for products with high demand, good reviews, and a commission rate that makes it worth your effort. Focus on items you genuinely like and believe in. Content is king. Create authentic, engaging TikToks showcasing the products. Use the product link feature to drive traffic directly to the product page within your shop. Highlight benefits, solve problems, and be creative. Optimize your profile. Use a clear profile picture. Write a concise bio detailing the niche you are in, and use relevant hashtags to increase visibility and attract your target audience. Track your results. Use TikTok analytics to monitor views, engagement, and clicks on your affiliate links. This data will help you refine your content creation and product promotion strategies to maximize your earnings. Repeat and rinse.